It's time to breathe safely and get back out there. Introducing the Quair Plasma Go, a compact purifier that combines two advanced technologies, working reactively and proactively to clean your air all day long. Its filter is bonded with Germagic's antimicrobial coating to enable a reactive triple-killing action. Through contact killing, pathogens that land on the filter are immediately killed. Then, the anti-adhesion sinks these neutralized pathogens into deeper layers. Once the filter's full, a process of release killing further breaks down toxins passing through. Outside the device, Quair's plasma ion technology fills the air with a mix of positive and negative ions that proactively find and break down nearby pathogens. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, and odors don't stand a chance. With the Plasma Go, clean air is always by your side. Start your day off with just a tap and fully customize any settings. Enjoy clean air your way by adjusting its airflow direction, while also monitoring air quality right from the beautiful OLED screen. Plus, get all-day power with an easy-to-remove battery. Sit it by your bed or on your desk. Fit it in the car or even a stroller. Charge it up. Take it with you. The Plasma Go is ultra-portable and endlessly convenient. Breathe easy and welcome to the new age of air purifiers. Quair Plasma Go.